Are you spending time trying to track down information about supports that have been put in place for schools and students in the past? Is communication between the district and the school with respect to supporting students not as consistent or as transparent as you would like? Is collaborative response in schools being supported from the district level? Are you looking to support schools and students from the district level with processes that parallel collaborative response in schools? WeCollab has developed features at the district level to enhance the abilities of district teams to support schools and students. Configurations can be set up for schools and locked at the district level to ensure consistency across schools when it comes to the implementation of collaborative response. Supports for specified focus areas can be added at the district level and pushed out to schools, again in an effort to provide consistency, as well as the opportunity to assess their effectiveness at the district level. District leaders and district staff are able to access student profiles within schools to review pertinent information prior to determining supports to be provided from the district. Team boards can be created with students from multiple schools to visually display students receiving more intensive support from the district level. These team boards can also be integrated with the schools to communicate where a student may be in a referral process, for example, so that both the district team and the school team can access the information quickly. Collaborative team meetings about supporting students can be conducted following the same structure employed by schools. At the district level, school profiles can be developed much like student profiles, where notes and actions related to system supports for the schools can be maintained and reviewed over time. Team boards can also be created for schools, thus visually displaying the degree of support being provided, as well as enabling the collaborative team meeting process to occur when discussing key issues and system supports for schools themselves. Schedule a conversation to learn more about how WeCollab supports collaborative response with parallel district processes.